Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Your dog to see their reaction.
Luna, can you give them an hour? Yeah, good girl.
Passageiros com destino para os Estados Unidos. Embarque autorizado pelo portão G.
So excited for this pizza. Oh shoot, I forgot my phone. Okay, don't eat this. I'll be right back.
You're leaving. Just gonna leave your pizza here. Sure does smell delicious. Just don't look at it. Mom gonna be so mad if you eat it. Maybe it's worth it? Oh no, I looked. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Want to try your first strawberry? You can taste it. Just taste. Good taste. Okay, you can take it. Take it. Wait. Good, wait.
Trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Let's go. Let's go. Good boy, wait. 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 Come. Rest.
Wait a minute.
Mommy! Ma, Toby's biting. Why? You scared of Mom? Bitch. Is that why I am? I should have